everyone, welcome back to Math with Aradhya. Today we are going to do some questions related to what we already know about integers. So we know that integers are all about whole numbers which can be positive or negative, and 0 is not positive and not negative, as positive numbers are to the right and negative numbers are to the left of zeros, right? So let's do some questions related to what we recall. So in our question 1, we need to write each situation as integer. Like in our first situation, we are having 6 degrees above normal. It means we need to write 6 degrees above. Above means positive, right? So our integer as our first situation would be positive 6. Then we need to write integer of our second situation, which is Thomas has to pay $4 as a penalty. So pay and penalty is a keyword which means negative, because he loses $4, right? So it should be like -4. Then in our part C, the situation is the temperature falls 10 degrees. It means it falls. We know that the falls is negative, up is like positive, above is positive, right is positive, left is negative. Yeah, so here it says falls. It falls 10 degrees, which is -10. Okay. Then in our part D, it says the plant has grown 3 inches. It is grown. It means it is increased height. It means it is +3. Yeah. Then in our part E, the situation says the Jack lost $40. It means he loses $40, right? So our integer would be -40. So these are our answers, and this is how we do that. Okay, now let's move to our second question. So here our second question says graph each set of integer on a number line. So we need to graph each integer. So our first integer is -2. So as it is negative, as negative numbers are to the left, so we need to graph 2 units to the left. So here we have -2. Then our second integer is +8, as it is positive number and positive numbers are to the right? So we need to graph 8 units to the right. So here we graph 8 units to the right. Okay, then we have -7. So as negative we are having is -7, which is also we need to graph it to the left, right? So we graph it to the 7 units to the left. So here we graph it 7 units to the left from 0, and here we has graph all the numbers on a number line. Let's do same in our part second. So here we need to graph -4. As it is negative number, we need to graph it to the left, right? So 1 2 3 4, we graph it to the 4 units to the left. Then we have +10. We need to graph 10 units to the right. So let's graph it to the 10 units to the right. Okay, so like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then let's make one more here and 10. Okay, so like 10 over here. Then we need to graph 3 units to the left, as it is -3, so we need to graph 3 units to the left. So let's graph it 3 units to the left. So here we have 1 2 3. Here we graph 3 units to the left. Then at last number we are having is +7. So as it is positive, we need to graph 7 units to the right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We graph 7 units to the right. And this is how we graph integers on a number line. Okay, so that's all for today. If you increase your knowledge by watching this video, please like this video and subscribe to Math with Aradhya for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Ta-da.